Hey, what's up, guys? It's Navarro, Penny Stocks Club 13, June 2nd, 2020. This is the second video of the day. On this one, I'm going to go over the trade recaps. I'm going to try to do it as quickly as possible, guys. It was a green day on Penny Stocks Club 13. What's up, Shad? And a shout out to the new member on PSC 13, Zico Point de Jor. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Uh, Welcome. And right now, let's get right to it, guys. Solo trade of the day. And, I've called this one out before, called it out here, got rejected. I sold. It came back and tested on this level. I called it out again and it broke out, made money here, called it out again here, gave money back just a little bit. I was still green on this particular trade. Then I called it out yesterday, and today it made this huge move with a huge increase in volume, guys. But let me take you to, in case you weren't on it from yesterday on a swing trade. Here is what you could have done. Okay. If you watch some of my videos, I've spoken about that VWAP trendline crossover, guys. And today, another perfect setup on that crossover. You got this big push. It set up a high day of 295, okay, 294, 295. It came back down. Now you're looking for the VWAP level, the 273, 272 level to become support. And what you can see as well is this yellow line, the 9 EMA, coming and crossing over. So you see this crossover. Now, if you want to wait for confirmation, this would have been your entry right here at 290 for the break of this high. Or you could have just taken a position right here at 285, which is what some members did. And because they saw the VWAP trend line crossover. And as soon as I saw this, and I was telling the WhatsApp chat group, I was telling you know what I would prefer if Solo would stay below three and break the three level in the afternoon. That would be better, in my opinion, for a better swing trade opportunity. I didn't want it to get overextended during the day where we're holding and those that don't have day trades can't get out. But in any case, it didn't happen. It just showed strength. I told them you got the VWAP trend line, what crossover, and some members were asking me, what's that? What exactly does that mean? What that told me is that you guys are watching the videos, guys. I explain everything on the videos. Anyways, the VWAP trend line crossover with increasing volume is a sign of strength. Again, this works better for day trading. And sure enough, once it crossed over, you're going to take in profits anywhere here, guys. As long as you're profitable, whether you have 5, 10, 15, 20%, doesn't matter. Never swing for the fence. I mean, unless you know what you're doing, swing for the fences. If not, take profits while you have them. A day trade, if you lose a day trade and you're up 5%, it's worth it. If you lose a day trade and you're up 10%, it's even better. If you lose a day trade and you're up 20%, you're ready to hit a double, guys. So come on, man. So again, follow the rules. You're building an account for the long run, not for the short term. This is gonna be what you're gonna be doing for a long time. So be profitable every day. That's what your goal should be, right? So again, that was a solo. Another one, BLNK, called it out for the break of over 550, that half dollar that I like. Let me remove this. These are just again the whole dollar level. So I called it out once it broke, and I said the same thing. It broke VWAP crossover with increasing volume coming in, and sure enough, we bought it before the break of 550, and look at this move, guys, 10, 12%. And again, whole dollar was should have been a profit taking zone. If you wanted to leave some to test the market, probably here 620. I doubt anybody would top ticket 620, 615. Would have been another one for a 10, 12% return, guys. But again, a perfect VWAP trendline crossover. And again, BLNK, another electric vehicle company. So that was another one that was called out on the WhatsApp chat. Next one, guys. These are callouts from the afternoon. VUZI. Okay, so VUZI started making this move. It had news about some glasses that they're using for some COVID-19 patients or something like that. I mean, regardless, I really don't care. I'm a day trader or and a swing trader, so I really don't care about what's going on. If they have news, it's important for me because I wanna catch that price action with the news, making it the catalyst, right? So again, that $3 level, that whole dollar level that I talk about is important. It had support here, it got a rejection here, rejection, rejection. So now if it breaks through, then there's potential all the way up to four, in my opinion, maybe 375. So what I'm looking for, I'm not saying it's gonna go all the way up there. There's a rejection here at 325. So if it does work tomorrow, I did buy it at 290 somewhere here. So I want to take profits 5 to 10%. So at 310, I'd be taking profits. And if it gets maybe holds on for 325, that'll be about 7-8% return. That's what we're looking for. Now it all depends how it opens up tomorrow and the volume on it. VUZI again testing a critical level where it's been rejected, and hopefully tomorrow it continues going. VUZI. Next one, I'm gonna go over yesterday's day trades or swing trades. I'm sorry, OGEN. And on this one, just a quick comment that was posted on the YouTube comments by one of the viewers, and they posted that that I need to do my due or to do my due diligence on OGEN, that it has a lot of potential. And again, I don't disagree with that. I agree that it does have a lot of potential. And I guess because on yesterday's video I said it was gonna be a failed trade, and it was. In my opinion, this was a failed trade for me. I am not a person who likes to trade and hold. If it fails and I'm down 10, 20%, I don't like to hold just because I think it has potential and it's gonna come back up, and make me some money. I don't like to hold that money, have that money stay there just in case it comes back up. I want to take that money out because to me it was a failed trade on that particular day, and I want to use that money to continue making more money on other stocks that have better potential on the next day or that day or the coming days. So I don't want to have my money stuck somewhere that it's not working for me on the hopes that it's going to come back up. So yeah, I do my due diligence. I take care of my money. I take care of my profits, and that's what's kept me profitable. And that's my style. I mean, I'm not saying that OGEN does not have a potential. As you can see here, I cut my losses, and if it comes back up, then I'll be back in it for the break of this 52-week high, for the break of this levels, rejection levels here. Yeah, I will definitely buy back in. But until it shows me the strength that it can and will break those levels, then I'll be back in it. But for now, I am not gonna be holding something that failed for me, and I'll be holding something that's down 10%. That's just not my trading style. I'll never do that. I'll continue doing that as long as I trade, guys. And again, if you're still holding this, you bought up here, good for you. I'm not the kind of trader. I cannot hold like that. It's just not my. It's just not my mindset. Is That's not the way I'm wired. And again, I do believe OGEN has a lot of potential. I believe I commented on a reply to him very respectfully that I do believe it does have a lot of potential, and that it's probably just winding up. Like I told you, I like stocks that make a big move and then curl back up. So if it starts doing that move, well, then guess what? I'll be back in it again, and I'll be making some money. In the meanwhile, I'll be using the money that I took out of here and making some more money, which I did today. So that's OGEN. And now on watch for tomorrow, guys. AYRO. AYRO is another electric vehicle company. It did not have a strong close, but it did have a lot of increase in volume. And I do have alerts set over the 350 level, which were rejections here for a possible entry and a break of the $4 level. So this one is on watch, and for either tomorrow or next week. Again, electric vehicles right now are on hot demand. It's a hot sector, guys. So keep an eye on them, and it's probably going to continue with all this oil wars going on and stuff like that. I mean, you got to put the dots, connect the dots together, and that's what I'm doing, trying to do so far. AYRO on watch, and NBY is the next one, and this is the last one for today. Now, there's nothing to see here on the chart. It is making some kind of little cups and handles and stuff like that. You got your little cup here for the break of 120, which is the level that I like. Okay, that 120 level. Now, but why is it on watch? if it's trickling down. Well, today I live in Texas, guys, and everybody that follows me on WhatsApp chat, they're friends of mine. They live here in Texas, South Texas, with me, and today Governor Abbott, our governor here in Texas, he issued out a statewide mandated um, guideline where everybody that's gonna go out in public must wear a face mask. Okay, because of COVID-19. So now NBY produces KN95 face masks. So having said that, NBY has a factory here in Texas, which will probably now everybody's gonna be trying to buy them, right? So there's that demand. So now they got a supply, and now we got something that it might be making this company be worth more than a dollar eight, right? So not only that, if you go to the 1 day 3 minute, look at this move. It's at 115. Again, I like it over 120. So I'll probably, if anything tomorrow, and if it gives me a chance before it breaks 120, I'll be taking a position of 118, 119 for the break of 120, guys. And that is what I have for you all today. I hope that you like the information that I have for you. Again, you don't have to agree with my trading style. I do my due diligence in a different way. I am an active swing trader slash day trader. My main thing is swing trading. Um, if you like my videos, guys, and if they're educational for you guys, go ahead and like and subscribe. Share with everybody that you know. Um, I'm just here to try to help everybody that's a beginner. I struggled my way through this. I'm a self-taught trader. I I I love this stuff, guys. My wife gets after me because I'd rather be watching or looking at the stock market than watching a movie. So that's what interests me. And like I tell some of my friends and stuff, you know what? You need to stop watching Netflix. That doesn't make you any money. You're just paying extra money for it. You need to start watching some educational videos on trading the stock market, something that can make you money. Again, that's just my opinion. You can do whatever you want. But in any case, I hope this videos help out, guys. And if they do, again, don't forget to like and subscribe and share. And we'll catch you on the next one, guys. Catch you later.